bumaba para ikaw ay aking matikman. And I thank you.
Rito, representing mo, Chris. Pangit man ako sa iyong paningin, mas pangit na kasunod sa akin, Dalton. Representing for Rock 5. Ang batang masikap, paglaki, pagod. Thank you. Ang babaeng pinakagwapa sa buong kalibutan. My name is Jasmine Rica Santo Domingo, 18 years old. Nagmula sa kalangitan, magapak sa kalupaan, nandito na sa inyong harapan ang Diyosan mukhang kawatan. Representing Purok City, Lukatagang, babae man ako sa inyong paningin. Yo, kumpiyansa ka na kuugutin. Sana may mic din, hindi mo kumitay. By the way, good evening everyone. My name is Mariga Aguanta Turjaga. Nandito ako sa inyong harapan ay nadala sa konsolasyon nyo 1,000. Representing Puro Nuibi at naniwala sa kasabihan, walay babaeng masakitan kung ang tumboy magnilkater lang daan.
Municipality President Manuel A. Rojas, the young, the energetic, the legislator, the gorgeous, ladies and gentlemen, our host for this Miss Fosgate 2024, please help me welcome Honorable Raymond Dinulan.
Good evening to each and everyone. Thank you so much, Rain, and thank you so much, Jade. My vow of respect to the Barangay Council of Barangay San Antonio, of course, headed by Honorable Alma Haitin, and we have here the slide father of the municipality of Katipunan, our municipal vice mayor, Honorable Antonio Humawak, with different dignitaries in my front. I know that they are having their hard time tonight, giving their scores of our ladies on my back. And of course, my greetings to the SKs of Barangay San Antonio, headed by Honorable SK Magbanwa. And to all the people of Laui, this is my 16th year stepping here in your barangay. You know what? Eventually and honestly speaking, si Consiel Russell, earlier than this July and earlier at the middle of June, nihangyo na gina sa daan na kung mahimo mag-MC ko, apanwa daw siya'y budget. Ingong ko, ayaw kabalaka. Sa manaa kay budget or wala, tabangan tamo sa inyong hang barangay. And honestly, iatag rapod just for the mobilization, but on the talent fee, dili, wala ko na ngayon sa iya ang talent fee. And my services is free to all of you. Bisan tuod og silingan rata nga lungsod, bisan tuod og dili mo kabuto na ko apan ilibre ta mo karon sa pag-MC. Ano man, it is also part of my legacy and journey as an event host stepping here in your barangay since 2009, if I'm not mistaken. During the search, which was the major sponsor at that time, your very own barangay captain. That was, she was still in Bahrain at that moment, and she got home just to participate and give an amount to create the event with Sami Turot on that lines. And now, I will give you this as an offer, as a token of offer, especially ni Konsehal Russell Balangkar. So as what we have observed tonight, we have 9 beautiful ladies. Lagi mo na ningaw pag ingon ako beautiful. They are beautiful in their own ways, in their own physical attribute. Look at them. nagkalahi-lahi ang ilahang mga kagwapa. Tinoo dili. Nagkalain-lain ang mga kagwapa na ay gwapa nga tao. Unsa may akong giingon din? Mga unsa ba? Look at them. See? Smile. Smile daw tanan para makita nato ang kagwapa, di ba? Isa pa nasa likdan gamay ni siya. Diri gawas gamay. From number 9, number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4. Si number 4 kay I like the hair. Nakakita mo ni Avril Lavigne? Siya ang katong rakista nga sa pamurag. Di na ka kumalusot diri. Number 3. Hello. Ang anak ko. Okay na ka? Okay lang. Nakita na ninyo? This is just a dessert delivered by our candidates. They will serve more of the main course and dishes later on. So stand